Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Landcruiser GX cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4794. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1VD 4.5 litre 4-cylinder V8 turbo diesel engine with the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right hand headlight, radiator grille, left hand headlight, alloy bumper bar, bull bar with a worn winch and spotlights, 4 bolts and brackets. Left guard appears to have no damage, flared type, a set of 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has the ball tyre, left rear 16-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. There's an aftermarket water tank with all fittings. Right rear 16-inch LED mag wheel, rash all over, good tyre. Right guard appears to have no damage, less flare and snorkel. And right front 16-inch alloy mag with a average tyre. Driver's side door trim. This vehicle has grey vinyl seats and interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Alpine CD player, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, non-airbag type. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.